Hi, in this video we're going to create a Paddle Sandbox account. This is a test account that lets you implement your webshop, create all your products, test the payment with test credit cards, and then when you're ready and happy with the webshop, how it looks and everything that's inside, you can apply for a production Paddle account, which means that you can accept real payments from credit cards from your customers, and you only have to change the settings in your MinimalWebshop merchant over to the production account, and you're already ready to go. We take care of synchronizing all the products and the prices between your test account and the production account. So here is the Sandbox Paddle login page. Note that the URL is sandbox-login.paddle.com. If you're not on this page, you're on a production account page. You don't want that in this case. Then head over to sign up. The pages for the production and for the test look identical. The only difference being that on the test or Sandbox account, there is no verification of your details. So you can put anything you want in here, but it's a good practice to see what information they will want from you in the production account later on. So we're going to go ahead and say we're selling digital products, accept the terms of use, and then just go ahead and fill out some demo information here, and then hit continue. The business name is Danny Demo. We're just going to go here. A quick note, you can be an individual selling via Paddle as well. So it's no problem. You don't have to be a corporation, company, a formed company or anything. You can be an individual. I'm going to choose a private company here, and just going to go ahead and add some basic information. Now for the website address here, if you don't have one yet, you can add a temporary one. This doesn't even have to be the one that the web shop is hosted on later. You will have to verify the domain that you're hosting the web shop on with Paddle in a later step. We'll have a look at that as well. But for now, you can use any website address here. Paddle will in the production account, not in the test account, try to verify this address, but for now it doesn't matter what you add here. And we don't have another Paddle account in this instance. Next, it's going to ask you for some business address information. I'm just going to add some test data here, and then click continue. And then you're going to launch into the Paddle dashboard. Now, you don't have to do anything with Paddle right now. The MinimalWebshop will synchronize the products that you create there into your account so that everything's set up. But the things you will want for your setup are under Developer Tools, Authentication. And right here at the top, you can see Active Integrations and Auth Codes. Now you can use the default auth code if you like, or you can add a new one called MinimalWebshop. Just going to use the same description here and create a brand new one. And then this is the code that you'll need for your MinimalWebshop setup. And this is the vendor ID that is also requested. And with that, let's have a quick look at the verification process. This is just to show you what you will have to do in the production Paddle account. So under business account and account verification, there are two steps. You have the domain validation, where they will check that you have a web shop on your website. It will check your terms and conditions, refund policy. You can see our website for a whole guide of things that you need to add in this step. And as you can see here, the website that I added in the initial step is already added. If you want to have your web shop on a subdomain shop.minimalwebshop.com or something, then you just request additional domain approval and add that there. You'll need to go in your DNS settings and change some things there, but there's a detailed email from Paddle that shows you all the steps that are necessary. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need from the Paddle side to get started with MinimalWebshop. Continue with our Getting Started guide to show you how to use MinimalWebshop. And that's all. Have a good day.